Hey guys, and welcome back to GP Automotive and Diecast. Well, it's been a minute since I last posted a video because I've actually had a couple of medical things and recently and, kind of gotten off track. So, sorry about that little bit of a delay. Haven't had a video in, I think, 4 weeks. Man, it's been a while. But anyway, we're back at it, and I have two cars today that I purchased from eBay, once again. And I believe one's a Ford Edsel, 1958, and then a 1955 Ford Fairlane, mild custom is what they call it. And both actually got them for pretty good prices from an eBay seller I have bought from many times before, and always had a good purchase experience, and very good. Kate's Goodies is the name of the store. Gosh, she has like 2,000 1/18 scale diecasts as well, so tons of those. And well, it's kind of a bad thing for me though, because I bought from her like 7 times. So, and these models are actually in pretty good condition. They're both Road Legends 1/18 scale models. And yeah, they should probably not need almost any work, maybe just a light cleaning, but this is not a project, I don't believe, a project type purchase. But we'll go ahead. I think this is the Edsel, yeah, the Edsel Citation. These are ones I always thought were kind of a weird, quirky looking car. These are very interesting looking, and kind of made Ford and that whole brand lose quite a bit of money. I think they lost a couple billion in today's money for making the Edsel. I always thought it was kind of a funky looking front end design that it showed. Let's see. Go. And a little bit of looks like it has a little bit yellowed plastic, just a tad. Overall, pretty nice looking so far. They package the inside, so we'll have to package all that, or take all that packing out, but okay. Next one is the Ford. This one I'm really excited for. Honestly, both of these. Ones I've been looking for a while now. And, well, we finally got them. And this is the mild custom version, so it has kind of a... Oh, wow, this thing's in really nice shape. It's in really good condition, actually. The plastic's all actually very nice on it. I'm happy with that one. Let's see, which one do I want to open first? Well, let's do this one. Let's do the Edsel. Let's see. Okay, looks like it has been opened before. I believe it's black and red. I believe that's the color combo. You know what? I actually bought a few models back. Oh, it has the catalog. Yay, that's really cool. I bought a few models back almost a month ago from... Where was it at? Tallahassee, Florida. And if you can guess, they haven't gotten here yet because of all the hurricanes that have been happening, Helen and stuff. So that's really bad, and I hope the people are okay, and hopefully the cars are fine, but more importantly, the people, obviously. Huh. I've never seen this catalog before. Interesting. That's new for me. I don't have a catalog that looks like this from them. 1999 collection. Yeah, this is different from the catalogs I have from them. Interesting. Yeah, I don't have any catalogs from them that look like this. They're actually a little bit narrower as well. A picture of the car up there. It's a 1958. I think I said that right. I could have. Get this plastic out of the way. I purchased this one for $16, and this one was $16 as well. I think the total came around $58 for them, which I think is a good price for both of these. I don't know how we're gonna get this thing out. I'm gonna say, let's see. See how I can do this. Sorry to set y'all down, but they kind of packaged this weird. Oh boy, this thing is not wanting to come out. As you can see, the front of it looks pretty cool. Can't get the packing out of this. I don't know if it's hooked to something. Here it comes. There. Finally. So there's some. Got another piece out. We're almost there. That's some nice packing too. I'm gonna reuse this stuff. Boy, she really put this stuff in here. Well, you can kind of see the car right there. Wow, it looks really cool. Let's try to get this stuff out. Man. This is when editing would come in, but you know, I thought about doing editing, but I just think this experience seems more like you're here with me unboxing it, so I think it's kind of better like this. Okay. Oh my gosh, there's one more. Let's... Oh boy, it's like a workout. Come on. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to take the car out of its box now. It looks very nice. Sail down again. Sorry about that. See, I don't know if this thing's been out of its box in a while because... Okay, so here it is. Looks very nice. That black with the red and the white and red interior with the white walls. Man, that's just a good looking car. And there it says Citation on the side. I'm going to try taking it out from this side. I have some content coming for you guys. Like I said, those cars from Florida. I don't know if I'm going to get those, you know. I just don't know what the deal. You know, they could be floating in the ocean right now, but... Either that or I'll get them. Hopefully I'll get them, but I just can't know. And then I got a couple models from a hobby shop near me, which I'll have to do a video on. And I think, oh, wow, that's a cool looking bird. I think there's a piece in here that fell off from the car. Is that? Let's see. Is that a piece? I can't tell. Is that glue or something? Well, we'll never know because I just dropped it down there. Oh, well, that's gone forever. But this looks very nice. We are actually missing a little chrome piece right there. That's why I thought that might have been it, but who knows? Factory defect, possibly. You never know. Man, this thing looks kind of funky. You know, it's a really cool looking car. It's almost two-tone, kind of. In the back, it looks two-tone. It really was a bizarre-looking car. You know, this front grille is so weird. Oh boy, this thing is not wanting to... What the heck? There's no hood popper on these, is there? Oh! I see. I didn't realize these hoods were backwards. Actually, pretty good engine detailing there. Sorry guys, this is going to be a little bit of a longer video. Looks very nice. So, moving on to the next one, we'll set this one up here. You know what? I'm going to move this into the sun so you can see that black paint. Okay, look at that. You know, it's kind of weird because I never have these cars outside ever. So it's really kind of neat sometimes seeing them outside in the sun. You know, just because you can see all the details and, you know, it makes the chrome pop and everything. So that's pretty cool. Chair forward. Now this thing, this Ford Fairlane is in phenomenal condition. Look at that box. Man, this is the cleanest Road Legends I've purchased. I believe. I think this is. I would definitely say it is. Yeah, this is very nice. Let's go ahead and get this thing out of its box. I hope this has a catalog too. That'd be cool. Yeah, that paint job's gonna be really cool in the sun. So let's get this stuff out. Man, I'm gonna have a lot of bubble wrap after this. This is a really unique looking car. I've always been a fan of these. It almost has like a moonroof. The Corvettes had something similar. I think, what did they call it? An Astro roof or something. And I believe this might have a Continental kit on it. I think it does have a Continental kit. I don't know if that was an option back then, or if that was a standard feature for the Fairlane. Because this is the Fairlane Crown Victoria, so that was the highest trim back in 55. And this mild custom version, I don't think is a real thing. I think Road Legends just designed it. Obviously, people back then did all kinds of stuff to these cars. Wow, that's really pretty. Let's get this thing out of the box. It does have the catalog, by the way, too. Come on, camera. Focus. Yeah, it's hard to see. It is back there, though. Let's set you down real quick. Smooth. Wows. No, this thing is... Wowzers. That's beautiful. Just look at that thing. We were making different cars back then. There's your Continental kit. Yeah, that's beautiful. All that chrome, man. And it added like 3 feet of car too. Let's look at this one up in there in the sun. Oh, and by the way, I did find that little piece. It's right there. Yeah, these things are beautiful. I'm so glad I got these. You know, it's kind of fun to have a project here and there, but when you get a car that's all perfect, it's kind of nice sometimes. You just can admire them like they are right now. I mean, just look at that. That tan interior. It looks like they have bucket seats inside that Ford. Just a cool, mean-looking car. That mild custom with that paint job, and those wheels are just so cool. All the chrome ties together with that Astro style roof. Look at that. And that Edsel is just a unique front design to that thing. Beautiful cars. So thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, I know it was a little bit longer today, but I thought I'd give you maybe a little longer video just because I've been off the game recently. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and put in the comments down below what you think about these two models that I recently purchased from eBay. And you know, I got them for $58, which I think is a pretty good price. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing to the channel. It definitely helps with the channel, and we've hit, I think, 530 subscribers. So thank you so much, and well, GP out.